Udupi is a holy place situated 5 kilometers away on the eastern side of Arabian Sea. This place is sanctified by the presence of Lord Shri Krishna, whose idol that came from Dwaraka was installed here by Madhvacharya. Udupi is a blessed place where the saint poets have sung the glory of God, Shri Krishna.
ഹരിനാരായണ 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 ഹരി കൃഷ്ണ ഹരിനാരായണ 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 ഹരി കൃഷ്ണ ഹരിനാരായണ 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 ഹരി കൃഷ്ണ ഹരിനാരായണ 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 ഹരി കൃഷ്ണ.
Parashurama is one of the incarnations of Lord Mahavishnu. The mythology says that going round the country, he destroyed the wicked Kshatriyas 21 times and gifted the entire land to the sages. For his living, he obtained the land from the sea by making the sea retreat from its shore. This land, procured from the Lord of Sea, Varunadeva, came to be known as Parashurama Kshetra, and Udupi is in Parashurama Kshetra. It is said that King Ramabhoja worshipped Lord Parashurama on a silver pedestal and founded 4 Naga temples and 4 Durga temples around Udupi. This place, therefore, is also known as Rajatapithapura, city of silver pedestal, and later on got the name Udupi. Lord Shiva is present in Udupi in the form of Linga, known as Ananteshwara.
Prananadham Vibhum Vishwanadham Jagannathanadham Sadananda Bhajam Bhavadbhavya Bhuteshwaram Bhutanadham Shivam Shankaram Shambhumeshanamide Galerundamalam Tanau Sarpajalam Mahakalakalam Ganeshadhipalam Jatajuta Gangottaram Gairvisishyam Shivam Shankaram Shambhumeshanamide.
According to the local legend, moon god Chandra did tapas in this place to be absolved from the curse of Daksha Prajapati. He was blessed by God Chandramauleshwara. Lord Shiva is present in Udupi in the form of Linga, known as Chandreshwara. The word Udu means star, and Chandra is king of stars, and hence he is called Udupa. Since Udupa, moon god, did tapas or expiatory contemplation in this place, Rajatapithapura became popular as Udupi.
Brahmamurari Surarchitalingam Nirmalabhasita Shobhitalingam Janmaja Dukkha Vinashakalingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Devamuni Pravararchitalingam Kamadahana Karunakaralingam.
Karnataka is also blessed by the birth of Hanuman, an incarnation of Vayudeva. It is in Udupi that Sri Madhvacharya, another incarnation of Vayudeva or god of wind, was born. The couple Vedavati and Narayan Adillaya of Pajaka, which is about 10 kilometers from Udupi, worshipped their family deity Ananteshwara. As a blessing of God, the boy Vasudeva was born to this couple. Vasudeva was a pious devotee of God since his childhood. The same boy grew to be Madhvacharya, a disciple of Achyuta Preksha.
शान्तं सुन्दरमर्कबिम्बसदृशम् जाज्वल्यमानं मुखम् सन्तापार्तिहरं मनोज्ञमधुरम् निञ्चारुमन्दस्मितम्.
The seer Madhvacharya one day saw in his inner vision the boy Lord Sri Krishna, who had shown his playful deeds to his foster mother Yashoda in Nandagokala in Dwapara Yuga, the period of his incarnation.
देवकी नंदन नंदकुमार वृंदावनांचन गोकुल चंद्र देवकी नंदन नंदकुमार वृंदावनांचन गोकुल चंद्र कंदफलाशन सुंदर रूप नंदित गोकुल वंदित पाद इंद्रसुतावक नंदक हस्त चंदन चर्चित सुंदरी नाथ इंद्रसुतावक नंदक हस्त चंदन चर्चित सुंदरी नाथ.
But Yashoda was Krishna's foster mother, his real mother Devaki, who didn't have the opportunity of witnessing his playful feats, pleaded before Krishna her desire to see young Krishna. God immediately assumed the form of child Krishna. He played with curd pots, ate butter, stood with churning rod and its thread. Not only Krishna's mother, but also his wife Rukmini enjoyed this sight of young Krishna. Soon this scene disappeared. To commemorate this experience, Rukmini got one idol of child Krishna in Shalagrama rock made by divine sculptor Vishwakarma. And she started worshipping this idol of Balakrishna.
अधरं मधुरं वदनं मधुरं नयनं मधुरं हसितं मधुरम् अधरं मधुरं वदनं मधुरं नयनं मधुरं हसितं मधुरं हृदयं मधुरं गमनं मधुरं मथुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम्.
When Krishna Avatara came to an end, this idol was buried in Rukmini's garden by Arjuna. This soil of this place is holy Gopi Chandana. Once the merchants coming from Dwaraka had kept the big balls of this Gopi Chandana in their ship. This ship caught in cyclone got drowned near Udupi. The Krishna idol worshipped by Rukmini, hidden in the big balls of Gopi Chandana, was retrieved by Madhvacharya and installed in Udupi on Sankranti day.
प्रीणयामो वासुदेवं देवतामण्डलाखण्डमण्डनं प्रीणयामो वासुदेवं देवतामण्डलाखण्डमण्डनं प्रीणयामो वासुदेवम्. संहारलीला विलासाततं पुष्टषाड्पुण्यसद्विग्रहोल्लासिनं दुष्टनिःशेषसंहारकर्मोद्यतं हृष्टपुष्टातिशिष्टप्रजासंश्रयं प्रीणयामो वासुदेवं देवतामण्डलाखण्डमण्डनं प्रीणयामो.
A variant of this story is that the ship was saved by Madhvacharya, who stopped the cyclone by waving his saffron shawl. As a token of the gratitude of the sailors, he accepted only the Gopi Chandana balls and brought them to Udupi. When the disciples soaked them in the waters of Madhva pond, the idol of Krishna emerged, and this idol was consecrated by Madhvacharya.
उन्नत प्रार्थिता शेष संसाधकं सन्नता लौकिकानन्दद श्रीपदं भिन्न कर्माशय प्राणि संप्रेरकं तन्न किन्नेति विद्वत्सु मीमांसितं प्रीणयामो वासुदेवं देवता मण्डलाखण्डमण्डनं प्रीणयामो वासुदेवम्.
वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं. वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं. कृष्णाय यादवेन्द्राय ज्ञानमुद्राय योगिने नाथाय रुक्मिणीशाय नमो वेदान्तवेदिने. कृष्णाय यादवेन्द्राय ज्ञानमुद्राय योगिने नाथाय रुक्मिणीशाय नमो वेदान्तवेदिने.
As the pilgrims entered the car street of Udupi from Kanakadasa road, they can see the huge tower called Kanaka Gopura.
Krishna 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 Krishna
Kanakadasa, one of the saint poets, had first darshan of Sri Krishna through the crack in the wall of Chandrashale, that is, the western wall of Krishna temple. Hence, there is a window in the wall called Kanaka's window. Close to Kanaka's window, across the road, a statue of Kanakadasa is found. Beside the statue, on the southern side, we find Ananteshwara temple, and in front of this is situated Chandreshwara temple. On the northern side of Chandreshwara temple is found the main entrance to Sri Krishna temple. As you enter the Krishna temple, on the right side you can see the Madhva pond. As you turn to the left, the main door of the mutt or temple is seen. The devotees are to see the idol of Lord Krishna by peeping through the Navagraha window. The Navagraha, 9-planet window, also symbolizes 9 forms of devotion to God. Peep through the Navagraha window. There stands the lovable idol of young Krishna, the idol worshipped by Krishna's wife Rukmini in Dwaraka and Madhvacharya in Udupi. What an attractive child! Churning rod in one hand, girdled loin, decorated head, jewelry on the body. He is Lord Krishna, whose divinity is sung by many saint poets. He is Sri Krishna, worshipped by the Swamijis of 8 mutts of Udupi.
Vande Vasudevam Shripatim Vande Vasudevam Shripatim Vande Vasudevam Shripatim Vande Vasudevam Vrindarakadisha Vandita Padabjam Vande Vasudevam Vrindarakadisha Vandita Padabjam Vande Vasudevam. Shyamam Indira Kuchatati Indivara Shyamam Indira Kuchatati Indivara Shyamam Indira Kuchatati Chandanankitala Charudeham.
On the opposite side of Krishna, there is Chandrashale, a small hall where the idols of Hanuman and Garuda, installed by Vadiraja Swami, can be seen. Near the door, on the right side of Krishna's image, Madhvacharya's idol is also found. Close to this image is the throne of Madhvacharya, the Sarvajna Pitha, on which Madhvacharya sat years ago. The period of each Swamiji's Krishna Puja begins by sitting on this throne, and this act is called Pariyaya Pitharohana, ascending the throne of Sarvajna Pitha.
श्रीशौरी रुक्मिणी लोला गीताचार्या यदुत्तमा उत्तिष्ठ उडुपी कृष्णा श्रीरौप्यपीठ संस्थिता श्रीशौरी रुक्मिणी लोला गीताचार्या यदुत्तमा उत्तिष्ठ उडुपी कृष्णा श्रीरौप्यपीठ संस्थिता उत्तिष्ठोत्तिष्ठ गोपाला उत्तिष्ठ पुरुषोत्तमा उत्तिष्ठ मुरलीलोला भक्तानां वाञ्छितप्रदा उत्तिष्ठोत्तिष्ठ गोपाला उत्तिष्ठ पुरुषोत्तमा उत्तिष्ठ मुरलीलोला भक्तानां वाञ्छितप्रदा अष्टाङ्गयोगमय श्रीहरिवासुदेवा.
14 types of worship are offered to Lord Krishna every day. The daily worship in Krishna Mat begins at 4 a.m. The Pariyaya Swamiji, after the morning ablutions at Madhva Sarovara, removes the previous day's decorations from the idol of Krishna and offers beaten rice, curds, ginger, jaggery, coconut, etc. to the god and waves the holy lamp, Arati. This puja is called Nirmalya Visarjana Puja, Ushakkala Puja, by offering holy bath, rice, milk, curds, fruits and betel leaf. After this, the Akshaya vessel and ladle given by sage Madhvacharya and the cows are worshipped. The Swamiji prays for never-ending serving of food to the devotees at the holy feet of Lord Krishna. Benediction food is served to thousands of pilgrims every day.
कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नन्दनाय च नन्दगोपकुमाराय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः. कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नन्दनाय च नन्दगोपकुमाराय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः. वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं. वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्. कृष्णं वन्दे मन्थपाशधरं दिव्यार्भकाकृतिम्.
Krishna's idol is worshipped with Panchamrita Puja and Suvarnabhisheka. The idol is also given hot water bath with green gram flour. Then comes Udvartana Puja, consisting of offering rice, milk, butter, tender coconuts and oil lamp. After Kalasha Puja and Pitha Puja, the great Abhisheka follows. Tulasi leaves, sandal paste, flowers, jaggery, fruits, etc. are offered before the major puja. The idol of Lord Krishna is decorated differently from day to day. On Fridays and during the festival of Shakti Puja, Navaratri, Krishna is decorated in feminine form. The all-pervading God has both feminine and masculine forms. The different decorations remind us this philosophy. The puja to sages like Sanaka is also performed. The sages like Sanaka are the gurus of Madhvacharya. Prior to the major puja at noon, Madhvacharya had allowed Sanaka Muni to worship Lord Krishna. Hence, even today, the Pariyaya Swamiji comes out from the sanctum sanctorum for a while before offering the major noon puja. This is the time for the invisible Sanaka to offer puja, and so this puja is called Avasara Puja or time puja. After this, the Swamiji enters the Garbhagudi again and offers Mahapuja. Swamiji once again takes holy bath in the Madhva Sarovara and worships Krishna with his 1,000 names, keeping the varieties of Naivedya to be offered to God. It is believed that Madhvacharya himself comes to offer these to Krishna.
ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय विश्वं विष्णुर्वषट्कारो भूतभव्यभवत्प्रभुः भूतकृद्भूतभृद्भावो भूतात्मा भूतभावनः भूतात्मा परमात्मा च मुक्तानां परमागतिः अव्ययः पुरुषः साक्षी क्षेत्रज्ञोऽक्षर एव च योगो योगविदां नेता प्रधानपुरुषेश्वरः नारसिंहवपुः श्रीमान् केशवः पुरुषोत्तमः
नन्दन सुन्दर रूप रुक्मिणी वल्लभ पाण्डव बन्धो देवकी नन्दन सुन्दर रूप रुक्मिणी वल्लभ पाण्डव बन्धो दैत्य विमोहक नित्य सुखादे देव सुबोधक बुद्ध स्वरूप दुष्ट कुलांतक कल्कि स्वरूप धर्म विवर्धन मूल युगादे.
This is followed by Mahapuja to Krishna. And also puja to Anjaneya, Garuda, Madhvacharya and Lord Subramanya. Swamiji then offers oblations of holy water to the Vrindavana. It is believed that there is holy presence of goddess Ganga in the Madhva pond. Instead of Madhvacharya going to Ganga river, goddess Ganga sprang in the southwest of Madhva Sarovara. And Madhvacharya, along with the disciples, took holy bath there only. In memory of this miracle, there is a small temple of Bhagirathi, that is goddess Ganga.
कृष्ण कृष्ण मुकुन्द हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण गोविन्द नारायण कृष्ण कृष्ण कार्मुगिल् वर्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 मुरलीधरा.
In the middle of the pond, there is a mantapa. And on Uttana Dwadashi day, Ksheerabdi Puja is performed here. Teppotsava, or a small boat festival, is observed around that mantapa. On the northern side is situated the famous dining hall. In this, there is a small temple of Lord Hanuman. Close to this, outside, we find Vasanta Mantapa, also now known as Madhva Mantapa. Subramanya temple is near Vasanta Mantapa. Legend says that Vadiraja Swami buried the heap of gold sent by the king of Delhi in this place and consecrated Lord Naga on that. On the northern side is Navagraha Gudi. And beside this, there is the Vrindavana of earlier Swamijis, and on the eastern side, Goshala can be seen. On the northern side of all these, we can see a grand program hall called Rajangana, where every day cultural programs take place. Padaka Kshetra is a rocky place. As there was dearth of water in this place, Lord Parashurama created holy ponds, Parashutirtha, Dhanushtirtha, Banatirtha and Gadatirtha. On the top of this hill, he founded Mahishamardini temple. There is also Parashurama temple down the hill. Padaka Kshetra, the birthplace of Sri Madhvacharya, is a testimony of his superhuman activities.
ಶರಣು ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣ 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 ಶ್ರೀಪಾದಮೇ ಶರಣು ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣ.
When he was preaching the mysteries of Upanishads in the Ananteshwara temple in Udupi, gods showered flowers on him. At this divine moment, he became invisible and found his place near Vedavyasa in Badari. Udupi is a holy place from where Madhvacharya spread the message of immaculate devotion to the entire world. When you come out from Krishna temple, you reach Car Street. If you start moving from the left side, first you see Kaniyur Mutt. The first Swamiji of this mutt is Sri Ramatirtha, who was given Yoga Narasimha Murti of God by Madhvacharya. Next is Sode Mutt, the first Swamiji of which is Vishnu Tirtha. The presiding deity of this mutt is Bhuvaraha, Sri Vadiraja Tirtha, who belongs to the lineage of this mutt, started the present system of Pariyaya. He lived for 120 years and left this world by entering the holy grave alive in a place called Sode. He was a devotee of and blessed by Hayagriva form of Lord Vishnu.
तपो विद्या विरक्त्यादि सद्गुणौघाकरानहम् वादिराजगुरून् वन्दे हयग्रीव दयाश्रयान् हयग्रीव दयाश्रयान्.
Next comes Puttigamatha, and Sri Upendra Tirtha Swami was the first Swami of this math. The presiding god of this math is Sri Upendra Vitthalamurti with Rukmini and Satyabhama. As you proceed further, you find Adumara Math. Sri Narasimha Tirtha was the first Swamiji, and the god is Chaturbhuja Kaliya Mardana Krishna. Next we meet Sri Pejavara Matha, whose first pontiff was Sri Adhokshaja Tirtha. God Aja Vitthala with Bhudevi is the god worshipped here. Then comes Sri Palimaru Matha of Sri Hrishikesha Tirtha. Sri Kodandarama along with Sita and Lakshman is the presiding deity here. As we proceed further northward, Sri Krishnapura Matha of Sri Janardana Tirtha, Dvibhuja Kaliya Mardana Krishna and Ugra Narasimha are the gods worshipped in this matha. Last we meet Sri Shirur Matha of Sri Vamana Tirtha Swami. Here the presiding deity is Sri Vamana Vitthala with Bhudevi. Beside these 8 famous mathas, in between these mathas, we can also see Sripadaraja Matha, Annayacharya Matha, Bhandarakere Matha, Vyasaraja Matha, Bhimanakatte Matha, Uttaradi Matha, and Raghavendra Matha.
वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं. वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं. कृष्णाय यादवेन्द्राय ज्ञानमुद्राय योगिने नाथाय रुक्मिणीशाय नमो वेदान्तवेदिने.
Pariyaya festival of Udupi is a festival of the land, the transfer of responsibility and right of worshipping Lord Krishna of Krishnamata. Once in 2 years, from one Swamiji to another Swamiji by rotation, is called Pariyaya festival. This is a celebration of grandeur and jubilation participated by the Krishna devotees not only in Udupi but also living in different parts of the country as well as the world. The formal ceremonies of the Pariyaya of the Matha concerned begin 1 year before. The important among them are Bale Muhurta, planting banana saplings, rice Muhurta, firewood Muhurta, and paddy Muhurta. After these Muhurtas, on different days, the Swamiji commences pre-Pariyaya tour in the country. Swamiji's return to Udupi, public donations to the Matha, Pariyaya procession, ascending the Pariyaya throne or Sarvajna Pitha, handing over the holy vessels, public assembly at Rajangana, cultural programs, Brahmotsava procession of Lord Krishna's idol in gold, silver, Garuda, etc. chariots and golden palanquins are some of the major events of Pariyaya Utsava. Annual Utsava commemorating the installation of the idol of Lord Krishna is known as Saptotsava, festival of 7 days, 5 days prior to the Maha Sankramana. The festival starts and ends on the following day of Sankranti. Drawing of 3 chariots in the night festival of Sankranti is an unforgettable divine experience for the devotees.
गोपी मधुरा लीला मधुरा युक्तं मधुरं मुक्तं मधुरं गोपी मधुरा लीला मधुरा युक्तं मधुरं मुक्तं मधुरं दृष्टं मधुरं शिष्टं मधुरं मथुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम् गोपा मधुरा गावो मधुरा यष्टेर्मधुरा सृष्टेर्मधुरा.
Krishnastami, or the birthday of Lord Krishna, is a festival in Udupi celebrated with jubilation and pomp. Krishna's idol will have special decorations relating to his adventurous deeds during his childhood on Ashtami. As the moon rises in the night, Krishna and moon god are worshipped with arghya and unique dishes. The next day is Sri Krishna Lilotsava, breaking curd pots, tiger dances, various mask dances, processions of tableaus, etc. entertain the devotees. The same evening, the Pariyaya Swamiji performs special puja to Sri Krishna in front of Navagraha window with elaborate paraphernalia. In the night puja, special dishes like puliyogare, dosai, milk, fruits are offered. Puja to Anjaneya is done with rows of lights, and Ranga Puja with Panchakajjaya laid on banana leaves. Cradle Puja to Utsavamurti of Krishna is done after this.
ಜೋ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಮಾನಂದ ಜೋ ಜೋ ಗೋಪಿಯ ಕಂದ ಮುಕುಂದ ಜೋ ಜೋ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಮಾನಂದ ಜೋ ಜೋ ಗೋಪಿಯ ಕಂದ ಮುಕುಂದ
Then follows the Ekanta Seva, puja in isolation. The Utsava Murti or festival idol is kept in the golden cradle, situated in the small room near Sanctum Sanctorum. He is made to sleep by worshipping him with milk, sandal oil, and by waving arati. In this land of Parashurama, Udupi, Subramanya, Kumbhashi, Koteshwara, Shankaranarayana, Kokarna, and Kolluru. These 7 kshetras are considered to be the places blessing the devotees with deliverance from the cycle of birth and death. Around Udupi, Kadiyali, Kannarpadi, Bailuru, Putturu are the places of Durga temples, and Muchalakodu, Mangodu, Arittodu, Tangodu are places with Naga temples. Of course, there are other holy places like Ambalapadi, Vadabhandeshwara, Indrali, Ermalu, Kamalashile, Mandarti, Katilu, Kapu, Bappanadu, Mangaluru, Murudeshwara, Dharmasthala, Sringeri, Sode, and many more.
ಜಗತೋದ್ಧಾರನ ಜಗತೋದ್ಧಾರನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಶೋದೆ ಜಗತೋದ್ಧಾರನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಶೋದೆ ಜಗತೋದ್ಧಾರನ ಆಡಿಸಿದಳೆ ಶೋದೆ ಜಗತೋದ್ಧಾರನ.
Dear devotees, let Sri Krishna of Dwaraka, Sri Krishna who lay in ocean, Sri Krishna who blessed Madhvacharya, Sri Krishna who listened to the nectarine songs of saint poets, Sri Krishna who uplifts the entire world, protect us all and destroy the evils that may befall on the path of our life. Let him fulfill all our wishes. Let us bow our head in prayer to him. Shri Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Shri Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Shri Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.